Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch back to professional account. So if you want to switch your account back to professional account, that means your account on Instagram is currently on personal account. So for you to be able to switch to personal account, here's a few steps you can follow. You tap on the Instagram app on your phone, then you tap on the profile icon. Once you tap on the profile icon, then you should have your profile like this. Then you tap on this 3-line button. Then this will take you to the security and activities on Instagram. Then you scroll down a little, then you look for this particular option which is called account type and tools. You tap on it, account type and tools, you tap on it, then you tap on switch to professional account. Then once you tap on this, then you are going to go through some process. So you tap on continue, learn about your followers. These are the things that you're going to learn about, how to reach your followers and how to reach more people on your new professional account, and also get new contact options. These are the added features for you switch back from personal account to professional account. At the same time, from here you can decide or suggest the type of what best describe you understand. So right here I'm currently an editor, a personal blogger, a gamer. At the same time, I'm a video creator. In fact, that is the official one, video creator. Then I'm just going to tap on done. So give a few more minutes to load. Then right here, I don't know if you want this account to personally be for business or for just creating. So if this is actually for business, you have to set up another set of profile for that. So it's kind of simple. I'm going for the creators account, which is public figure and content producers, artists and influencer. So I'm just going to tap on done. So right here, you can share your log with other account center. If you want that, no problem. If you don't want, not now. Then from here also, you can see these are the setup for professional account. Get inspired, get verified, grow your audience using your content, and at the same time introduce yourself to or your brand to you using your post. At the same time, tell people that propose your goal and complete your profile. So right here, these are the map, which is my profile is complete. So those are the things like that. Those are the setup for your professional account. Then you tap on this. So if you want to, if you can see, for you to be able to complete this step, so out of the 6 steps I need to complete, one is already complete, which has been completed. So right here, if you want all this, if you want to completely switch to your professional account, you have to make sure you want to complete all these remaining 5 steps. In your own case, it might be 6, but in my own case, right there, one that's been completed automatically for me. So right here, just tap on this, then you follow the process, and stuff like that. Get inspired. When you're done, then it will automatically switch you to professional account, and that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.